Sincerity is the sum of all moral qualities. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first to burn it. Life should be great rather than long. We are Indians, firstly and lastly. Be educated, be organized and be agitated. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. In Hinduism, conscience, reason and independent thinking have no scope for development. They cannot make history who forget history. Every man who repeats the dogma of Mill that one country is no fit to rule another country must admit that one class is not fit to rule another class. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. So long as you do not achieve social liberty, whatever freedom is provided by the law is of no avail to you. Men are mortal. So are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise both will wither and die. The sovereignty of scriptures of all religions must come to an end if we want to have a united, integrated modern India. A bitter thing cannot be made sweet. The taste of anything can be changed, but poison cannot be changed into nectar. Indifferentism is the worst kind of disease that can affect people. A good man cannot be a master and a master cannot be a good man,